Welcome to the overview of ChatGPT extensions and tools. In this video, we will introduce you to various extensions and tools that can help you make the most out of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an extension that allows ChatGPT to access the latest information on the internet. This overcomes its limitation of being restricted to data up until 2021. Perplexity AI is a fully AI-aware search engine that uses GPT-3 LLM with natural internet access. It provides more accurate and relevant search results. ChatGPT for Google is an extension that brings ChatGPT to Google search results. It provides responses alongside the results, making your search experience more efficient. Compose AI assists in writing emails by automating the process. It suggests phrases and sentences based on the context of the email. TeamSmart AI is a collection of AI agents, each with its own specialty, designed to assist users. It can help with tasks such as scheduling, project management, and more. ChatGPT Writer helps in writing emails and messages on all websites. It suggests phrases and sentences based on the context of the message. WiseOne is an AI-powered reading copilot that simplifies complex text. It can help you understand difficult articles and documents. Superpowered ChatGPT allows users to create dedicated folders to store AI chats. This helps in organizing and managing your ChatGPT conversations. We have Merlin, a ChatGPT-powered assistant that works across the entire browser. With Merlin, you can easily navigate the web and get quick answers to your questions. Next, we have YouTube Summary with ChatGPT. This tool allows you to quickly summarize YouTube videos using ChatGPT, saving you time and effort. If you're a researcher, you'll love SciSpace Copilot. This tool assists in breaking down complex research papers, making it easier to understand and analyze. For Twitter users, TweetGPT is a must-have tool. It integrates ChatGPT into Twitter, allowing you to generate tweets using various moods. Engage AI is a great tool for LinkedIn users. It facilitates commenting on posts using various tones, making it easier to engage with your network. Summarize is another great tool that uses ChatGPT to summarize online articles. With Summarize, you can quickly get the gist of an article without having to read the entire thing. GPT for Sheets and Docs is an add-on for Google Docs and Sheets that provides various functionalities. With GPT for Sheets and Docs, you can easily automate tasks and improve your workflow. We have ChatGPT Prompt Genius. This tool provides users with a plethora of prompts to use with ChatGPT, making it easier to get started and generate ideas. The BotRush browser plugin is a powerful tool that allows you to customize the ChatGPT UI according to your preferences. You can change the colors and font styles to make it more visually appealing and easier to use. If you prefer to use ChatGPT as a voice assistant, you can use the Prometheus extension. It allows you to receive mic input and converts it into text that ChatGPT can understand. With the Talk-to-ChatGPT extension, you can now interact with ChatGPT using your voice. It can respond back to you using voice as well, making the conversation more natural and intuitive. Fancy GPT is an extension that adds different design elements to your ChatGPT conversations, making them more visually appealing and engaging. ShareGPT is a handy tool that allows you to immediately share your ChatGPT conversation with others. You can easily send it to your friends or colleagues via email or social media. Finally, the ChatGPT to Notion extension enables you to send any of your ChatGPT conversation messages to Notion. This is a great way to keep track of your conversations and ideas in one place. These are just some of the many extensions and tools that can help you customize and enhance your ChatGPT experience. We hope you found this overview helpful and informative. That's it for our overview of ChatGPT extensions and tools. With these tools, you can take your interaction with ChatGPT to the next level and make your work more productive and enjoyable.